Looking to relax outdoors without worrying about the breeze? The best patio umbrella for wind offers sturdy construction and smart design to keep your shade steady and stylish, even on gusty days. Let's find the perfect one for you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Wikiwiki 10-foot patio umbrella. The Wikiwiki 10-foot patio umbrella stands out for its eco-conscious design and dependable outdoor performance. Its GRS certified canopy is crafted from recycled polyester draw texturing yarn, giving you a sustainable way to enjoy your patio while benefiting from serious weather protection. The PU-coated fabric achieves an impressive US standard AATCC 16 grade 5 color fastness to light, meaning it won't fade quickly in the sun. Plus, it's water resistant up to 800 pas of pressure, shielding you from light rain. The sturdy metal frame, featuring 8 long premium iron ribs, opens and closes smoothly and is treated with an antioxidant coating to resist rust and corrosion. This umbrella's real advantage lies in its enhanced wind stability. An automatic locking mechanism with groove slots minimizes canopy sway, and the use of durable nylon and fiberglass composite in key components ensures lasting reliability. Velcro straps further secure the canopy, reducing wind-related movement for a worry-free outdoor experience. Its generous 10.3-foot diameter and 100-inch height make it ideal for shading a large patio table or lounging area. Overall, the Wikiwiki patio umbrella blends sustainable materials with upgraded hardware and thoughtful wind resistance features, offering excellent value for homeowners seeking both style and durability in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Number 2. OLILAWN patio umbrella. The OLILAWN patio umbrella is a thoughtfully designed cantilever model built for convenience and superior outdoor stability. This package includes not only the umbrella, but also a sturdy cross base, 2 sandbags, sand not included, and a polyester cover, a rare bonus in this price range. The canopy, made from 220 GSM yarn-dyed fabric with a PU coating, offers dependable sun protection, excellent water repellence, and impressive fade resistance for up to 3 years. A standout feature is the umbrella's robust construction. The powder-coated steel pole is 25% thicker than average, increasing wind resistance, while 8 heavy-duty ribs reinforce the canopy, ensuring it stays secure even in breezy conditions. For added protection, the design incorporates a windproof Velcro strap to stabilize the umbrella when not in use. The sandbag base can hold up to 130 pounds of sand, and the lockable tilt system allows you to adjust the angle easily as the sun moves throughout the day. Offering 100 square feet of shade, it's a practical solution for patios, pool decks, or outdoor dining areas. The OLILAWN patio umbrella delivers sturdy, weather-resistant shade with features typically found in higher-end models, making it a reliable and user-friendly option for homes dealing with unpredictable winds. Number 3. Grand Patio 11-foot patio umbrella. For those seeking a combination of elegance and practicality, the Grand Patio 11-foot patio umbrella is a strong contender. Its unique curved pole design offers a sleek, modern appearance while supporting a generously sized 11-foot heavy-duty polyester canopy that resists both UV rays and water. This umbrella delivers approximately 95 square feet of shade, making it perfect for spacious patios or poolside lounging areas. The rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum pole and 8 heavy-duty steel ribs create a sturdy, wind-resistant frame capable of handling breezy afternoons with ease. Stability is enhanced by a cleverly designed base with wheels for effortless movement, which can be filled with up to 330 pounds of sand and 44 pounds of water, totaling 374 pounds. The umbrella also features an auto lock system, letting you easily adjust the tilt for optimal shade coverage as the sun shifts throughout the day. The integrated crank system makes opening and closing smooth and hassle-free. Built for both residential and commercial outdoor spaces, this patio umbrella adds visual appeal without sacrificing durability or wind resistance. If you need a reliable, weather-tough umbrella with a touch of modern elegance, the Grand Patio 11-foot model is a dependable and stylish solution.
Number 4. ZLACUIU Patio Umbrella. The ZLACUIU Patio Umbrella is a versatile and robust cantilever-style umbrella designed for expansive shade coverage in both commercial and residential outdoor spaces. Measuring an impressive 10 by 13 feet, it's ideal for larger seating areas, outdoor dining sets, or poolside lounges. The double-top vent design enhances air circulation while promoting better wind resistance, preventing the umbrella from becoming unstable on breezy days. Constructed with all aluminum bones and 8 heavy-duty ribs, the frame is treated with an anti-oxidation spray paint, ensuring long-term durability and rust resistance. The canopy, made of 240 GSM yarn-dyed polyester fabric with a PU coating, boasts excellent water repellency and UV resistance while resisting fading over time. Users can easily adjust the shade position thanks to a 4-gear tilt system and a convenient foot pedal for 360-degree rotation, ensuring optimal coverage throughout the day. While a cross base is included, a fillable base exceeding 220 pounds is recommended for secure placement in outdoor environments, particularly where winds reach up to 15 miles per hour. Though assembly requires 2 people, the process is straightforward and an instructional video is provided. Overall, the ZLACUIU Patio Umbrella offers expansive, adjustable shade paired with premium wind resistance features, making it a reliable and stylish option for demanding outdoor setups. Number 5. Purple Leaf Patio Umbrella. The Purple Leaf Patio Umbrella combines refined design with outstanding functionality, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking reliable shade in windy conditions. With a 10 by 10 foot canopy size and a distinctive double-top design, it allows for superior air circulation and stability, which is essential on breezy days. The high-quality 240 GSM yarn-dyed polyester fabric offers long-lasting UV protection, water repellency, and color-fast performance, ensuring the umbrella maintains its appearance over time. Structurally, this umbrella excels with its all-aluminum frame and 8 heavy-duty ribs, each treated with an anti-oxidation spray paint for enhanced rust resistance. The unique handle and crank system lets users easily open, close, and adjust the canopy, with 6 tilt positions and 360-degree rotation for precise shading control. While the base is not included, the manufacturer recommends several compatible options designed for optimal stability. The absence of a cover is a minor drawback, but compatible purple leaf covers are available separately. Perfect for residential patios or commercial spaces, this umbrella offers excellent coverage, durable materials, and practical wind resistance enhancements. If you're looking for a stylish, highly adjustable umbrella that performs well in varying weather conditions, the Purple Leaf Patio Umbrella is a premium and dependable choice.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.